my name is Anton Volney, and I'm at Roy Furr's Financial Copywriting Workshop. I like it because this is a really close-knit environment. This is not the kind of place to go to get paint-by-numbers copywriting advice. In fact, Roy has dug into excruciating detail every nuance of the financial copywriting process as it's done at the highest level by copywriters who are getting paid at the top of the industry. Not only that, every little itching curiosity that I've ever had about the copywriting industry, be it little questions about my own craft or little insider stories about the industry that we got to talk over drinks last night. I got so many things answered that, you know, I just couldn't have found it in any kind of expensive course. I couldn't have found it in some outdated old book. And Roy Furr just, you know, filled in the gaps of my knowledge. And this is the type of thing that I feel is important to me because as a copywriter who is more experienced with several years under my belt, you know, eventually you start to get to the point where things repeat and repeat and repeat and you feel like you've heard it all. Well,
Yes.
we filled the blanks today, and that was the cool thing.
Awesome. Thank you, Anton.
Yeah.